Manipur government today observed Bijay Diwas at the 1st Battalion of Manipur Rifles Banquet Hall. Chief Minister Ningthombam Biren Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar, other ministers, MLAs and top officials attended the function. In its bid to motivate the local youth to join the Indian Army, 34 Assam Rifles organized a weapon display for students of remotely located Parbung and Senvon villages along the Manipur-Mizoram border in connection with Bijay Diwas today. During the event, the students were informed about the significance of Bijay Diwas and were motivated to join the Indian Armed Forces with the help of informative and motivational videos. Kangvai Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of 27th Sector Assam Rifles on the occasion of Bijay Diwas today organized a weapon, equipment and band display for the youths and students of Moirang College under Bishnupur district. Moirang constituency MLA P. Sarachandra was present at the event. Arunachal Pradesh Governor Brigadier B.D. Bishra has greeted the people of the state and the nation as a whole on the occasion of 21st Bijay Diwas. Governor Brigadier Retired B.D. Mishra said that the victory of the Indian Army in the 1971 India-Pakistan War will continue to inspire the youths of the country and promote national pride among the countrymen. India recorded 99,32,547 confirmed COVID-19 cases, including 1,44,096 deaths. A total of 94,56,449 patients have recovered as per the latest data from the Union Health Ministry. However, there are 3,32,002 active cases in the country, which comprise 3.34% of the total caseload, as per a media report. Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh have reported the highest number of cases so far. Manipur recorded 79 fresh cases of coronavirus in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 27,293. The active cases are 2,085, while the cumulative number of recovery cases stands at 24,880, according to the government COVID-19 Command Control Room. The new cases do not have any travel history. 3 patients succumbed to COVID-19 in the state in the last 24 hours, taking the toll to 327. Tripura is gearing up for COVID-19 vaccination drive. Speaking on the preparedness of the state to conduct the vaccination drive, Tripura Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said that the moment the state receives COVID-19 vaccine from the centre, it will start the vaccination drive. He informed that the state has prepared itself for the vaccination drive as per the directives issued by the centre. Imphal West Police Commando, assisted by women police personnel, carried out combing operation at Sagolban Bijoy Gobinda Lairan Jamlaikai in Imphal West from 6:30 am to 7:30 am today. Nearly 40 houses were searched and 110 individuals were verified during the operation. One woman was picked up for further verification during the operation carried out under the supervision of District Additional Superintendent of Police Operations Amarjit Lamabam, a police report informed. A team of narcotics cell Imphal East seized 14 grams of heroin from the possession of one Yumkaibam Amir Khan, aged 32 years, son of late Muhammad Basir Shamet of Khergaon, Yukhaibam Makhalaikai yesterday. The arrested along with the seized drug was handed over to Porompat police station, a police report said. Students' Union of District Institute of Education and Training Diet Kaikol in Imphal East today locked the institute in protest against the authority concerned for appointing a new principal of Diet, replacing the current principal in charge RK Sashiranjan.